nghena kambe ka mouse ta Xitsonga a na list channel of course. Yeah, I here like Ben Mangan, the president, laying at I here link vele Dr. Joshi Remani. Yeah, still I come rang upon the deck here update, don't want to mention Samala wouldn't hey, even the name of course I here tell a lekker stylist. Yeah, before in general, previously I dated in kind of Mukombisoko, Rangapanden overall, Markar, Hanzola Dr. John, what time come Canada, however, story share bed that she am doing. Speaking now, Cascon of course at the 4th April, it's if you get only one post. Go one on Canada one. For no apparent reason. A road, Kathleen Zumba Ungefi, a Shonango from another formula, add creativity on its best. So obvious mulo come so Nzomba like the dying face according Dr. Joshi Reman can interview lishinga yesho loksa yana Ben Mangan vena Dr. Joshi Reman before yamatla our reference that video from Shangan Gang
because loko matsunduka sungule ka COVID leswi swa music lo mina ku ta nta sungula ku tiva Salan the producer sungule ka COVID nto va kuna DJ Mfundisi phela loko mo tsundzuka DJ Mfundisi I humelele hi nkarhi walowo ma swi vona nkarhi lowu hina hi nga chuha phela hi nga lavi ku na ku toucha guitar ku loko no toucha guitar yi khoma hi un'wana swi ta ni tlulela swilo leswi DJ Mfundisi ku va ta ni tiva yi nghena ma swi vona and then which means ku ri xin'wana na xin'wana xi na nkarhi wa xona so that's where it started to slow down the pace ya music wa hina wa Ndzumba. Maswon? Gradually so, as not kombi, but this thing when it dies because me I've been there for more than 2 decades in the industry. I know when something is about to die, it will die. Disco died before my eyes, Baba. Ndzumba will die before your eyes, whether you like it or not. This is it's music industry. I can be stubborn about it, but that's the reality. Then you know what? I know where this is going. Because batele the artists letting at loko ku fika new genre ya music va ku va endla yini la today where are they?
As you can hear,
you don't want to collaborate with the new system, you don't want to collaborate with the new situation. So then why are you able to collaborate with the new technology? If we're now what do you want there? If
and Dr. Joshi Man, of course, you must a project the inspire when electro and stuff like that, meet to India last day and stuff like that, okay? So it is of course my gonna khahlamna ka swona kwala in relation to Simra Shonge Rangan rush story. Whether you like Shonge Rangan samna shungula ka runga umunhu wangu rata or kanjani, it does not matter. The bottom line is she is trending everywhere. Simle rewa rendu ben shinan man bar zakala shinan. Van very good whether you love Shongo or not. Van very good it's a project very good run in the similar very good runs and shinan as you love Shishwa. Already, in days like 200,000 views. I'm gonna trending. Trending. Yeah, but as you can see, like 200,000 views. I think that background this time around, given a huge improvement somehow. International man the producer and even ko ta kushibona kwa ito ne is confirming indirectly so Shonge Rangan or ito directly so at producer sa atitaba within I think that ke ya katona and stuff like that so yeah ngawla tan ko congratulations to Shonge Rangan yeah makashna mon bayana pause ya kun ngata vula shinga helela then go add the hela ta tlhevu ya kambela okay. As you can see at the yaleyo no mkomesa kuna mina support me ka the YouTube ta Xitsonga tisome ta Xitsonga in most cases na view the ads swinene ha supportana It's the right thing to do, guys. If you get support, it's better loko wa skipa swa hala handle. Loko ri Mutsonga support swilo swa Matsonga. Ku nga ri swa mina ntsena titele channel la ka Gaza. Support. Watch the ads. Music wu tele. Watch the ads. Exikoka unfortunately a ni nga ta yi translate risimu leri ku hey ra ni implicate if you know you know but a yi ri bini xo ngi rhanga like that hayi kona hayi xo nga rhangani hayi i tirheni swinene swi sasekeni swinene ri trenda everywhere xitori like ni twa na vanhu hambi tithekisini munhu le ku yimbeleleni vona nhwini n'wi xavisa timanga giyani ka Shell maybe na n'wini nga hlangana a kha a yimbelela risimu lera ku i xitori laha mariyele so hi leswo congratulations to xo nga rhangana kwa yi tsenenyana so the producers hinkwatu se hi tikumeni ku hi vo mani a ku hova speculation ku leyi nga ku ri mani swa mpanyasa hi swi tivaka hi nga ri sure ku DJ Gift a ri kona na mara the producer hi letiwa sure hi send the link walo DJ Gift swi blind va dimeni ku swi chala ma combination mara indleni miss the pose mara indleni mara miss the pose loko ra i timhaka ta mali lungisana swi blind va dimeni swi ri two Saran the producer sorry Mpanyas the producer you do vanhu bayizisa minkarhi wun'wana mina but walo as you can see kwala a hi la confirma sweswo ito the producer ta kota ti nga cha project hayi pfale ku pfala ha yona ha xonge xi fikile ku na vlog leyi ni nga yi endla ni ri a Thohoyandou you can remember koku ni master team ku ti loko he o yimelele ni kombisa ni ku xonga rhangana i hava competition ka vavasati i hava competition zero competition koku letin'wana ti-legend ti-veteran na ku ti vula ti-artist ta Xitsonga to kola but xonga rhangani kahle o cruising ndzi hi ku swi vula ni ngo zondiwa mantsena but xonga rhangani is cruising nicely hi leswo Tona crowd. Dawan ba randar sim awada like it or no ina vu munhu na munhu nyana I wish ri crossover na rona ri simple it's a simple track so leswo ri ka Mayengani ha ti-content ta Mayengani ta leha but for now I think ngo veta yi include na leswi since yi le ku trendeni ni le ku requesteni swinene about swona so mi rhanga phanda ka Sonto of course ra ti 14 ta April i fike tsala this post leyi nga fika kombisa timhaka ta ku u pfurile Jehovha wa mavandla yi pfurile Mukwembu ya mama and stuff like that yi kombisa ku mi tag ma 7 Dr. Sithole ku mhaka ya vito leriya you go mi tag ma 7 Dr. Sithole ku mhaka ya vito leriya I know of course a swi tiva ku Dr. Sithole i dokodela na yona mara vo tala mi confirm ku no it's actually a name i doctor like it's a name so you call like it's more like mi rhanga phanda hi ngo yini yo gega sort of so ku hi kwala loko hi cha kwalano na leswi nga swi tsala la it means mi rhanga phanda ya va dokodela a swa ni hlekisa se swo ga title ni fike ni hi practice hi fike hambi hi tsala Dr. Ben Mayengani ma swi ta lehanya maybe Dr. Ben or Dr. Mayengani ta vona ku mi ta tsakisa hi swini n'wina loko ni nga ti-video ta vona ku hi tini ti kuma ku ti-views to hlaya whether we say Dr. Ben or Dr. Mayengani mi nga suggesta na ku ri ka ti-comments ku hi n'wina hi ta ku Dr. Ben or Dr. Mayengani ku swa lehanyana la swi nga lehanya loko Dr. Ben Mayengani swa leha se mi ta chuza ku mi la hi ku Dr. Ben or Dr. Mayengani but it will also depend mara mi ngo vona ku under those special circumstances mi kuma ku title ri nga ni kahle hi ta tsala ku Dr. Ben or Dr. Ben Mayengani 2026 na so leswo I think for now hi nge congratulate nchumu hi to yima la hi vona ku swa humelela na the details ti kokwalano vi ri le Healing Pentecostal Church Ngilasi, sure will event somewhere around there. So President Mayengan of course will be honored there and stuff like that. So I khi ma hi vona ku swindlisa ku yini swo tala ta khi confirm loko hi swi vona swin'wana hi fike hi swi vona kunene and stuff like that. Even the vele khi ya ka stylisa mo maka mina as mi swona kwalano se yi nghene ka a million. So hi nga vula tani ku you were congratulations. But it's fine. So congratulations to like stylist, congratulations to NSC, congratulations to Shamakomo, congratulations to Kanye, the new girl, Shimbela. She blind. So I see new girl at the moment. She look booked in the show. She look booked in at the moment. I should be consistent. She was consistent. She got good. She look bench. She look very good. Again, show na Kanye la. Look she won. But Zaka she that's in the show Kanye. For those who don't know, yeah, this song. Varanda van nishutunya like even gang like vai rata ne van mu famba mtom ga shutu bad ya na even gang vana va swikolo they love this song. They love it. Even various people like Vasat they love this song a lot. And stuff like that. They love it. She's good. She's good. I like her go was a legend. She's strong. She's much bait. Some more man. Challenging as a barson of a heat in the Aze Kalinian Shashopa. Say, and say, I complain. I'm a Shama Kombunga Kulenian and stuff like that. And do I own Yajishnan? And say, well, Sekulanyana Shama combo, Yananga Tekala in Sinsatilla and stuff like Sekulu was for so Kanikashi bomb I can't go. Shoko again, it's out in Jungo Shama combo, Lamara Shama combo, and Dagger, some maybe moon down, Shavana Zara, ice boy, and stuff like that. So Ashkatish Nen. So let's congratulations to them. But they ran Mlakalaka and Mlakalaka, Ani, it's more like you, Mayanaka, Mlakalakaitina, Hagias. Oh, I'm going to say Hagias, no, you don't influence your car, Mlakalaka, you Mlak.
Hagiazola. Amadaraja Balwa, Buntisar Mayan, the Simro. Aye, Kandi, Mlakalaka, aye. Rita Ultra Summeron Kandi am Laka aye Marama future in man Jaba I rapper I'm future in Tambly voice of voice of one aye men got pigs and never been my hand music in Perangozi we better Japan.
So makamlaka of course ite na Hagiazo mlaka something premium ngashulatan ya mlaka special premium and I shona show mango fuka the move I show me sango fuka move kumlaka fana move yone mlaka move ali as you can see like premium cast so na that one issue guys so very so la hey raro get that same I'm not marum kandi mlaka like Shoko yim ai dokora mgeza subscribe anda kwamba mtlika subscribe
Sitore, non è una mina, ni lavorin, quello